everybody, everywhere. Fuck it. Fuck with the white, they say it's the devil. I ain't had shit, not rich. I call that incredible. Cookie weed, I ain't talking about edible. I don't know if that was one of y'all that landed with me. Just get in front of me. You gonna get hit with that black. Just gonna set off mortars and shit. I'll leave their ass mortified. Who you whacking over there, bro? Who the fuck, bro? Just smoke over there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bro. Catching hats out. Need a helmet. Give me a little helmet. I'm good. Nigga hit my head right now. I'm just dumb. I fuck with the white. They say it's the devil. Over here, Brody. Northwest at the tunnel over here. Should we go kill him? What we gonna do? What's up, nigga? What's up? What's up? He's running out. I just want to shoot my gun, bro. That's it, bro. I just want to shoot my gun, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. He's in that joint. He's a bitch. I don't even think he got C4, bro. Cover me, nigga. Nigga. I don't even think his bitch ass got C4. I just throw a Molotov in his bitch. I'm one of them type of niggas. Oh, nigga. There you go. His bitch ass go right here. He's a bitch. Ah! Nigga. Dumbass nigga. Burnt his ass up and hit his ass with that hot shit, nigga. This shit, nigga. This shit, nigga. I'm too savage for this shit, nigga. Just too savage for this shit, nigga. Okay, fuck. Just way too savage for this shit, nigga. Burnt his ass up, came from around the other side. Blah, blah. Hey, you see him, yellow, right there? Yeah. Yeah. I seen that. I seen that. I seen that shit from the skybox, bruh. I seen that shit from the skybox, bruh. Where the owners is at and shit. It's a bitch ass nigga shooting at me, bro. Watch this shit, though. Niggas know I don't play that. Niggas know that. I heard them bullets, nigga. Send that shit. Keep sending it. And when I find you, my Lord, so help me God when I find you. Yellow, who the fuck was that shooting at me? Hey, Tyson. Move. Hurry up. Oh, shit. Oh yeah, yeah. We on all that yellow. We on all that yellow. We on all that yellow. My soul. We on all that, buddy. That type of time. We on all that, nigga. We on all that, bruh. Hey, yellow wall coming in, brody. Let's get the fuck up out this jump. We did what we had to do. Feel me? We did what the fuck we had to do, bruh. Did what the fuck we had to do, bro. Yeah, we gone. Let's go kill him. Whoever the fuck that is sending that shit, he dead. That's the type of time we on, bro. Watch out. Who the fuck was that? Who the fuck was that shooting, dog? That's cool. They gotta show themselves eventually, right? While they do, while they build up the courage, I'ma boost up. I got 8 energy drinks, bro. You need some? What the fuck? I got all this shit. Yeah. Take 3 of those. Hell yeah. Hey, you don't got no helmet? What the fuck? Hey, bro, you a gangster like shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You real the gangster, bro. Nigga out this joint with no helmet, cuz. Hey. Come down, go to the cage. Get out. Yeah, you a gangster, bro. You definitely a gangster, bro. I have no scope. I'm doing all this shit with iron sight. So I can't talk to this shit, right? What's down here? What's down here? What do we have here? The funny thing about this, our team is still alive. So they're somewhere over there, like, doing their thing, too, which is nice. I got C4. Oh, shit, somebody just shot at me, cuzzy. And they missed. They some bitches. Somebody shot at me, bro. Fuck this shit. I ain't scared of shit, but I'm broke. Fuck. I'm gonna shoot at the Don and shit. Who the fuck wanna shoot at the Don? Who the fuck wanna shoot at the Don? Right here. Ow! Nigga, that shit hurt, nigga. Nigga, that shit hurt. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That hot shit just hurt, cuz. I keep it a jigger with you, bro. That shit just hurt. Hold on, bro. That shit just hurt, cuz. You ain't hear me? I said, ow. That nigga's a bitch. I'm right behind you, yellow. My bad, bro. I had to heal up, bro. Oh my god, yellow, there's somebody else beside us. Come look back, help. I'm hearing shots over here, brody. $40 on my marker. My marker, dude. I can't stand right here. I have no cover. I have no cover. Let me know when you're ready to move. I'll put that shit on him. He's not gonna make it. He's not gonna make it out of that blue. So help me God. Yeah. Woo. Watch out, boy. Oh shit, damn, babe, I'm in the blue. My bad. My bad, baby. Hold on. What's up? Oh, how you feeling? You okay? You're probably hungry, right? A little bit. Watch out, boy. Leave her alone, nigga. Back up. Back up, nigga. Hold on, let me get into this blue. It's been me and yellow this game. This is exciting. Leave. Holy shit, yellow. I just walked into a hellhole. I'm taking shots, dude. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Tyson, leave her alone or go in the cage. My last time fucking telling you. Sit down. I need to roll another J, dude. There's shots to the left of us. They're gonna die. Oh yeah. Definitely taking shots, dude. Definitely taking shots. And I don't know from where. We getting close, are we? Watch out. Damn. My bad, Green. Oh my lord. My bad, Green. My bad, bro. Fuck, man. That shit better not cost me the fucking game. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. I'm motherfucking die, bro. Alright, bet. I'm 4 kills in. These niggas can't fuck with me, nigga. Bitch ass niggas. I throw a sticky bomb for the fuck of it. I throw a Molotov for the fuck of it. Oh, we've got action down here. 120 southeast. Somebody shooting me. Where my men at? Leave her. Tyson Cage. Where my men at, young? It hurt so hard. Train almost over, but it's 9 people. Like my first game in like 7 days. 8 people left. We gonna take this? Oh no. I took that vape you gave me out of the car. Yeah, that black jump. It's in here somewhere. Fuck it. 5 people left alive and there's 3 of us. Team of 2. Can we get this chicken dinner? Or can we get this fucking chicken dinner? If we get this chicken dinner, I'm turning the game off. I was supposed to stream for 3 hours. I was turning this shit the fuck off, dude. Who the fuck? Who the fuck? Who the fuck? Please don't let them. Please don't let them kill us, guys. What if they're coming out the steps? Where I'm at?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. What if they're coming out these steps, dude? Oh yeah, guys. Oh, they're right beside me. They're right beside me. I was about to say I got a little scared. Got a little scared. You know, I don't want to. It's so scary out here. 4 people left alive. It's 1 person. It is 1 person, bruh. On my soul. I'm finna show my ass then. I don't give a fuck. He could kill me. Y'all better kill his ass if he kill me. On my soul, y'all better kill him if he kill me. I'm going Rambo. I'm ready to turn this bitch off, roll a J. And then go back over my stream and watch this shit. Whack as shit. Straight whack as shit. Can't fuck me. Where's bitch ass? I knew I seen him. He's a hoe. He should have just quit. His bitch ass should have just quit. See how my man just flushing you out, nigga? Y'all can't kill him for real? Damn, they really can't kill this. Damn, he knocked somebody, cuz. Damn, cuz. Y'all let him knock y'all? I'm about to say, bruh. I was gonna see what you was gonna do, Yellow. I was gonna come around the corner with that fat shit on. Alright, y'all.